Okay, today I'd like to do like a text effect, and we are going to start with Advanced Pixlr E. I'm going to click on that, and I would like to create a new one, and I'm going to select this web small right here. Okay, I can title it right there. I'm going to put text effects. I'll go right there and create. Okay, first thing I'd like to do is I'd like to dump some black paint onto my paper right here. I'm going to get the paint bucket, the fill bucket, and dump that in there. You can change the color right here if you need to. Now I want to add a layer, and I'm going to add a text layer. I'm going to type in my name. Okay, I want to get a nice bold font here. Let's see if I can find something nice and bold. There we go. That's a nice bold font. Also, I got to change the text color from black to white. Okay, I'd like to make it a little bit bigger. Oh, that might be a little too big. There, that's a little bit bigger. I'll go a little bit bigger than that. Okay, so I've got my text effect. I've got two layers. I want to go ahead and merge those down. So I got to go to click on this layer and go down to merge down. And I've created just one layer. I had two, I created one. Okay, I want to bring in an image layer. So I'm going to go to image, and I've already downloaded an image from the internet. I'm going to select it right there. And I want to make it bigger than my text there. And I can change the opacity here. And so I can kind of see what I got there. I'm going to kind of put it right there. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm going to turn this off real quick and select this layer here. And I'm going to use the magic wand to select the outside. I also have to select in any of the letters that are like trapped by the letter. You see right here in the O, it doesn't have those little dashes around here. So I'm going to hit Shift and click there too. So I'm selecting inside there also. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the astronomy picture, turn it on, and I'm going to get the eraser. I've got the eraser right here. I'm going to get a nice big eraser, really big. And I'm going to come back here and I'm going to erase. Okay. Notice it erases everything but what I have selected. Got to make sure I get everything. Okay. I want to deselect it by going Control or Command. Command D, deselects it. Okay. And I also want to go back here and change the opacity and change it all the way back up here. Okay, I've got that done. Now I thought I would add some kind of effect to this. So I'm going to go to the filter here, and I'm going to try like an outline. Let's try an outline. Cancel. I think maybe I have to select this layer. Let me try that. Filter, and we're going to do an outline. Okay, there we go. I have to select the text layer. Okay, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm going to try an outline and see. It doesn't seem to be working. Okay, so I'm not sure why it's not working. Okay, well, maybe I have to merge this down. Select, merge down. Now let's try it. Filter, outline. Okay, there we go. Okay, I don't like that outline size though, and it's outlining the whole thing, which I'm not sure I like either. So let's cancel this. I don't like the outline. Let's try something else. Let's try, I don't know what fringe is. I have no idea. Oh, not something I think I want though. Cancel that. Try something else with the filter. How about a bevel? Oh, well, that kind of looks interesting. So what I'm doing here is I'm just adding an effect to it. And you guys can try any effect that you like, something that you would like to show. What was a shadow? I don't know if I like that. I don't know. That's kind of cool. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to add another background to it. And I'm going to go back to image, and I'm just going to select the same background, but I think you should select something different. Okay, and again, we're going to change that background here. We're going to make it nice and big. Whoops, I think I have to fill the whole paper. How about that? Okay, and then I want to move this layer up and on top of that. And you know what I might want to do is on this layer here, I don't know, maybe that's okay. And it doesn't quite show up the way I wanted it to. So maybe I have to go here and change the filter again. Maybe I have to do an outline now. I don't want that big of an outline. Maybe like this big and make it show up a little bit. And maybe an outline is not a good thing. You have to kind of decide, okay, what looks good for you. Okay, so I think I'm done. If I want to continue to work on this, I can just leave the layers just like they are, or I can merge it down. Once you're done, you will want to save it. And to save it, you can save it as a JPEG or a PNG. For this example here, a JPEG would be good and high quality, and that's how you'll download it. And that's the file that you'll turn in for your assignment. Okay, once you get that file downloaded, then you can turn that in. Okay, that's it. I will talk to you guys later.